Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this window of X and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget